The red light on your Spectrum router, typically the online or internet LED, indicates it's not connected to Spectrum's network. This often means there's no downstream signal or an IP address issue. The first step to try is a power cycle. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This fixes about 40% of issues by clearing temporary glitches. Give it a few minutes to reconnect. Next, check your connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is securely connected to both the router and the wall outlet. If possible, test with a different coax cable to rule out a faulty cable. Also, check that the power cord is securely plugged into the wall and into the router. If these quick fixes don't work, it's time to move to more detailed troubleshooting steps. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve the red light issue on your Spectrum router, here are advanced solutions to try. First, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of your router, typically a small recessed button. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink. This restores the router to its original factory settings, but remember, you may lose any personalized network configurations. Next, use the Spectrum app or website for diagnostics. Open the app and run speed tests to check your connection performance. You can also verify if there are any outages in your area. Spectrum has integrated AI-driven diagnostic tools that offer real-time troubleshooting suggestions to help identify and resolve issues quickly. If the problem continues, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357. Their technicians can remotely check your signal strength and determine if there's a broader issue in your area. Some customers qualify for free router upgrades to newer Wi-Fi 6 or 7 gateways, which provide improved signal stability. Aging infrastructure can also cause these issues, so Spectrum is actively investing in network upgrades. To prevent future red light issues, position your router away from potential interference sources like microwaves, cordless phones, or other electronic devices. Always keep your router's firmware updated through the Spectrum app and regularly monitor your signal strength. You can also try contacting Spectrum via the app or online before calling, which often skips long wait times.